I'm living my best life. Juggables. Juggables. Yeah. Curly swoop in this better than my ass. I freaking love curly hair. Juggables. Yeah.
Slowly taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday king.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something really fun and really cute and really festive. I feel like I did the damn thing with this makeup look. Honestly, this is not even what I was going for to begin with, but through the video I changed some stuff up and I actually really like how it came out. Like, I am in love with this eye look. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in for a second. Like, look how much detail is in this, which that's me. This is me. I did that. I really hope you guys like it, along with this hair change. I've never tried curly hair before. It's actually my first time. It's actually my sister's wig. I just kind of took it from her, but I really like it. I'm feeling the hair, the earrings. I have my Africa pendant on. I feel so like fight the power, bitch. Let me know what you think in the comments. And then I added these bobby pins as like an accessory. I mean, it was mainly to keep my hair out the way, but I like it. I'm feeling it. So I'm gonna stop rambling so you guys can see how I achieved this look. Right here. And before the video starts, don't forget to please subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have one eye done as I've been doing in my past videos. So we're just gonna start on the other eye and get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is priming my eyelids with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I already primed it before, but it creased up, so I'm just gonna fix that. So the palette we're working with today is the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love this company. I'm always using their palettes, but you guys have seen it in my past videos. I always use something by Juvia's Place and it's not gonna change. I absolutely love the formulas of their eyeshadows. It's so soft and pigmented, so I'm just gonna stick to what I know and what I love best. We're going to be taking 4 shades out of this palette and creating this pretty funky eye look. So the first shade I'm going to be using from this palette is called Catsina. It's this really pretty flesh tone color. It's very nude, very beige. Just to start out my transition shade. I'm going to be working this color up to my brow bone as well, just to set the concealer up there. The next color I'm going to be using is this burnt orange color. And the name is Jamila right here. I'm going to be putting that in our crease, starting to build up that color. And this brush I'm using is the Morphe E27 blending brush. I never actually say the brushes. That's because I honestly just use the same brushes every time. I have my go-tos. That doesn't really change. If I don't say the name of the brushes, it's probably either from Morphe or from Real Techniques or just some random company, honestly. And for this shade, we're gonna start flicking this out, creating kind of like a cat-like effect. I'm going to be flicking it out up until my brow, the end of my brow bone, just to give my eye more elongated effect. So the next color we're going to be taking is this really bright red color. It's not showing up on camera as bright as I would like it to. It's more of like, it's like a pinky red, pinkish red color called Sokoto, and we're going to be putting that in the crease, as I said, continuing to build up that color, doing the same technique I was doing before with that same shadow and flicking it out. You guys can be as messy as you want with this shadow because we're going to be cutting our crease next, and then I'm also going to be taking concealer and cleaning up this line on my face. So now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape. I haven't used this concealer in a while because you guys know it's been canceled, but we're going to bring it back for a little bit. And I don't really remember what shade this is. I think it's Tan Sand. But I'm going to be taking a flat brush and just taking some concealer off of the wand and tracing where I want to cut my crease. Let's see if I could get you guys in frame this time. I really suck at this. Okay, so guys, we've cut our crease, and if I should say, this came out really nice. This came out like exactly identical to this one. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So I'm gonna let this concealer sit for a little bit just to like get tacky so I can take on the color a little bit better. And the color I'm gonna be using next is this shade up top, this really shimmery forest green shade. It's named Kia, and putting that all over our concealer. And I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, this flat top brush, just to pack on that color, like really pack on that color, and start putting it on top of the concealer. Okay, so after that's done, I'm gonna be taking my finger, flicking you guys off, my finger, and taking Water Babe, this nice gold shade right here, and smear my finger in there and just patting this on top of that green we just put, just to add a little something extra to the look. We're not making a halo eye, we're just gonna pat this in the middle. It could be as messy as you want, you could pack on as much as you want. It's honestly just to add a little something extra to the look. Now I'm going back in with that peachy red shade in Sokoto just to clean up that top line. I'm going back in with that same shade, Water Babe, that gorgeous shade we just put on our lid, with this, honestly, I don't know what kind of brush this is. It says it's a mascara fan brush. I'm going to be using this to highlight my brow bone. And that is it for the eyes for now. Now I'm going to be putting on some eyelashes. This is just, again, some random AliExpress eyelash. This is how it looks. And I'm going to go ahead and pop those on, and I'll be right back. So this is how the makeup looks with the lashes popped on. As you can see, very pretty. And I'm going to go off camera to do my face, mainly because I want the focus of the video to be on the eyes. Your girl is lazy and I don't feel like recording it. And I'm going to list everything I used, of course, down below in the description box, as always. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the face. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down in the description box for you guys, everything that I use to get this right here. So now we're gonna move on back to the eyes to finish it off. So I guess I'll zoom you guys in. Now that we're back with the eyes, but first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna line my waterline, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline EyeStudio gel eyeliner. It's been a little hot minute since I used this one. I'm gonna be using like a little small brush just to pat that into my waterline. This used to be my ish, y'all. I used to use this every day. I'm gonna try to bring this down under my eyelash, and I'm going to smoke that out with a shadow. I'm going back in with the Juvia's Place Saharan palette that we just used, and I'm going to take in Sokoto once again with this Beige Cosmetics angled fluffy brush, and I'm just going to swipe that underneath my eye. Then next I'm going to be going in with Jamila and doing the same thing with that shadow. For mascara, I'm going to be using the, I think this is Maybelline, the Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara, just to add some volume to our bottom lashes. Okay, and this is the finished look for the eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys back out to show you the lips. So for the lips, for lip liner, I'm going to be using my favorite, the ColourPop lip liner in Pitch. I'm going to be lining my lips. Because our eyes are so vibrant and so like out there, I'm going to be using this Lorac Pro Alter Ego lipstick in the color Centerfold to tone down the makeup look. It's just this really pretty nude lipstick just to tone down the makeup look. We're doing a lot here, people, a lot. And then lastly, to top this off, you guys know I love my gloss. I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss, and this one is in Ginger Snap, just to top this lip color off. So that is all for this video, guys. This is the finished look. As you guys can see, here it is. In my opinion, I think it's poppin' AF. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Hey, blow up. fuck my plug talk.